Hello, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Very clean Escape, isn't it? This is the 2018 the Ford Escape. Stock number is 7383. Let's take a virtual video walkaround and take a look at this vehicle up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. It says super duper low miles, 9,300 miles to be exact. As you can see, the rear power door. It's going to give you ample storage space and cargo space for traveling with friends or family, or maybe you want to put the dog back there. You got, as you can see, ample room. This vehicle does have a 150-point vehicle inspection, ABS brakes, oil changes for life, and warranty protection for life at no extra cost to you. You're going to get that with this vehicle right here. Going to take you and show you the interior rear. Ample legroom for your guests and family that might be traveling with you. This official color on the exterior is called white platinum. I absolutely love it. Take notice of the all your power options in the front here. You can easy access with your fingertips. And of course, we're going to put you in the driver's seat. No virtual video walkaround will be complete without showing the impeccable interior. No rips, no tears, no stains. Gorgeous looking leather. Power seats, of course. Automatic transmission. Navigation. You've got it all here in this gorgeous looking Ford Escape 2018 version. We have a vast selection of pre-owned Escapes in inventory. So for more information on this one or any others that we might have, we look forward to answering those questions by either a call, email, or text. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walkaround. Take care. Make it a great day.